It's our order, yay! Okay, thank you so much very much for inviting us down today. Update you guys because the train was packed up. Mira, so Mira, there's this little cough, right? So a little cough started with a Mira J last night, but got it.
You need it again soon, eh?
Yeah, but anyway, so I gave her some DPH. We can't get it over here, but I get it from Jamaica because it's just the best. Oh, there's some police dogs. Here's a little bull. See the police dog, Mama? Look, you see him? He's there. Yeah, so here are some DPH and some home remedy and thing. This morning she still wasn't feeling very well, so I gave her some more, but it makes you a bit sleepy, so hence she fell asleep on the train. You guys saw her, she fell asleep on the train. So now she doesn't want to walk anywhere, which is not great when you're going for a day out. So let me tell you guys what we're doing today. So today we are heading to Frameless London, which is in Marble Arch in London, and they've invited us down to come and check out the art, as well as they have a kiddies program that's happening for the Easter holidays for the kids. So Amirja is going to have so much fun with that. So thank you so much Frameless for inviting us down today. We are currently at St. Pancras station. We're heading to the underground now, and then we have to get the Victoria line to Oxford, and then we get the Central line to Marble Arch. So that's what we're doing. Hopefully we find a coffee shop on the way just to get a little snack and some coffee and a little thing for Amira. Hopefully she'll start packing up a bit, but she's always pretty down there. But yeah, hopefully she starts feeling better soon. So let's go for a day out, guys. Should I wear my mask there? Last time we come London we get sick. Well, I get sick, but hopefully we'll be okay this time. Yeah, I'm happy to ask if you're okay.
What happened?
It looked kind of weird. What? Woo! Good job! There's a lot today.
Fair, there's a lot.
Say hi today.
Right.
Anytime there's music, yeah, dancing. So here, we're going to Oxford Circus and then Marble Arch. See how quick it is here already? We made it to Marble Arch and we have an hour to spare. The only thing is, Marble Arch has 3 exits. We don't know what one we need to come out of, so we're just going off our vibes right now, you get me? Wow, it's so pretty. Let me show you guys. Yeah, what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna punch it into Google Maps. This is gonna be your best friend, yeah? We're gonna punch it into Google Maps and you can use the live feature and you just use the camera and it scans where you are and it will tell you where to go, where you just follow the path. So anyways, baby's good at reading maps, so here you go. Alright, let's go. Mission find Frameless. Found it, Hastings fam. So it is just across the road. Okay, walk. Woo! Guys, it was really easy to find. Literally came out the station. You could come out the Oxford, I think that's the Oxford exit, then you would have just walked down here, innit?
Really?
Yeah.
Mommy.
Press?
Mommy.
Press?
What do you look?
Oh, it says go. Let's go.
You sure it's the Oxford exit?
I don't know, there's an exit. Yeah, look. The Oxford Circus that way, but that's the Oxford exit. Yeah, so for future reference, come out the Oxford exit at Marble Arch. That's closer to Frameless, and Frameless is literally next to Wagamama's. So it was super easy to find. As I said, we just put it into Google Maps and it tells you use the live view, and it tells you exactly where to go. Here it is. So we're just gonna go get some coffee first and then we'll go back. Coffee and a snack because we might be in there for a while. Right, so let's see. Do you want a drink, Baba? No, thank you. Are you sure? Okay. I'm gonna get a coffee. What about a snack? You want a croissant? Got a croissant? In there. A cookie? We have some. Yeah, they have peppermint. Okay. So, do I order here? Yeah. Can I have a peppermint tea. Takeaway please. 1 chocolate chip cookie. A latte please. Do you do any flavors? Let me have a caramel please. Caramel latte, yeah. And then a croissant. You want 2 croissants please, yeah. Yes, please. Where's your card? Pay for breakfast then. So we went to Pret instead because Starbucks line was ridiculous. Let me block this now. It was so long in there. And in here was empty. And the way all the coffee tastes bad anyway because I'm spoiled with real Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. There's no reason to stand up in a line, so we came to her instead. Babe got mint tea. He's been dying for mint tea. Well, no, Jamaican love mint tea or ginger tea, so I got coffee though. I got caramel coffee. Let's do a taste test and see. Amira J got a cookie. Chocolate chip cookie. Is it good? Can I have some?
Look at the big one.
Not a big one.
Is it good?
It's sweet. That's for sure. 1 to 10. 4. 4. That's the thing with tea though. With coffee you can drink it straight away, yeah. Right. Check out. So guys, I forgot the lip gloss, so I just bought one for Mira. I forgot her lip gloss.
Nice.
Something smell good for sure. Here. Thank you. What way do we go? There. Alright, come Bob. Hi there. Alright, thank you. No flash. Okay. Alright, thank you. Let's go. Wow. Oh, baby. Wow. Look at this. Let's go. Hold by my hand. Wow. You excited? On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
100.
Yeah!
No, a million.
A million! Ooh, I'm so excited! Look, peace sign for mommy. So there's a cafe. Oh, there was a cafe here. Thank you.
Cafe and restaurants are behind you.
Thank
The
you.
galleries are just further down.
Thank you so much. Oh, I'm so happy. They do have a coat room. Yes. Make sure.
I put the thing in our bag well.
No, leave your bag on. Hey, Okay, girl. I know, right? Oh my god. Amira Shay is having so much fun. Yeah, 1 second. Not this kid cleaning the damn floors. This is why I dressed her in comfy things. Hot? Hot? Oh my gosh.
Materials and you can pick whichever one you want to do, but I just don't want that colour. If you look at some of the paintings, they're not flat colours, there's lots of different colours in them and patterns, and I'd like you to do that, but in your own way. You don't have to copy that. You do it your own way. Could you do that for me?
Oh yeah, that lipstick.
I'm not sure.
Look at that. What blue?
I don't know what you're asking. I already got. I don't want to have left it. Not used it.
Sorry.
What's this here?
Is this red?
What does he say?
That's paint as well.
Is that
You're gonna put
nice?
dots.
This is good.
Guys, this is the creation station. So they have a little kiddies area where they set tables up with paints and crayons, etc., and they get to do some activities around here. So we've just sat down. Is it? What do you like about it?
Coloring.
You like the activities? Isn't it amazing that you get to see the art and then get to create art? That's so fun, isn't it? Yeah.
And my mom. Oh, I don't know what's going on today with my mom and dad. And this chair keeps running away from me. And I don't know why. So tell me guys in Instagram if you know why my chair is running away from me. Tell your mom and dad if you're watching.
Where's the cover for this? Alright, Hastings fam, we're done. So this is Amira J's number 1. And this is Amira J's second piece. There. And then that one's Daddy's. And that one's Mummy's. Kitty sandwiches, sausage rolls, drinks, champagne, wine, ciders, cocktails. But I think we're hungry, aren't we?
So guys, we're going back now.
We're gonna get food now, aren't we?
We're gonna get food now because we went to a restaurant and they had no.
This is part of our hostel. Pull it. No, it's a heavy door, baby. And they have numerous little dolls at the end. Oh my gosh, poke me in the chin. That's so amazing. So the menu had like the usual burgers, steak and things like that. We went with the smashed and stashed ones, but they didn't really end up being as smashed as I thought. But yeah, we went with that option, and I'm just showing you the prices here. They had salads and stuff about £22, £21. Is it? Oh, is it our order? It's our order! Yay! Don't touch it, Baba. Sit down.
3. Dear guest, your meal is ready. First, second, trainer.
Yay!
Be careful when taking it.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Sorry?
Bye.
Bye.
I wonder if it can talk to person. Well, they can copy that.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, the food was so good. Amirje enjoyed her pizza. The burger there, nice. Most of the food tastes good, people. Manala. It was big, but we demolished it. Both of us demolished everything, and the fries were really crisp, and it was like seasoned, so it was really yummy. This is Amirje telling us that we need to add salt and pepper to the food, but she doesn't add it to hers. She just likes the idea of it. But yeah, it was really nice. Okay guys, so that was everything. Bill came up to about £64, which wasn't bad at all because the food was delicious. So now we're just heading out, and the restaurant was Hard Rock Cafe, literally right around the corner from Frameless, which was so convenient. So now we're heading to walk up Oxford Street, so you're gonna come on the journey with us. We just walked and sort of looked at the different shops. Now guys, everywhere in this country has something for the kids to do. Like, look at this little area in the middle of Foot Locker. Look at the books. This is so funny. So you guys, you play sit, stay. All the Dragon Ball Z fans. Oh my god, it's what's his name from Harry Potter. You need to stay with us, please. So, where are we, Amira? We ended up in Primark. It's huge compared to our local one. No, my shoes just touched the thing. Oh, this is, oh, babe. And the skincare is a lot bigger in here. Oh my god. Oh my god, what? They have so much stuff in here. Come here, baby. Oh, makeup brushes. Yeah. Put it down, Bob. Hair towel.
Oh.
Denny man, Denny.
No. You love it?
Yeah.
Not for me.
Hastings fam, yay or nay? Yay or nay? Definitely not together, but yay or nay?
I think yay.
You think yay? Okay, baby. Who would wear this? Grandpa Jonathan.
Oh yeah.
He would definitely wear this.
Santa.
Yes, we got.
Gigi would not be very happy with the color, but Grandpa Jonathan would wear this.
Yeah. Santa can wear it.
Santa.
Yes,
Okay.
Santa can wear it.
Okay.
So we got to take this to Jamaica.
They don't have what I came for. They don't have it. We came here for nothing. We came here for nada. Right, let's best cookies. We're in M&M. They have one of the best freshly baked cookies, but they don't have it, so we pretty much came here for nothing. So next stop. Sorry, we had to mute quite a lot of these clips because everyone was playing music in the stores. But guys, this is like an American candy store. They have them all over London. When I tell you, the sweets unlimited. Like, so we went into the store, told Amira she could pick something. She was so overwhelmed by the choices, she could not make her mind up. But I think in the end she went for like a lollipop dip thing. And then we were just looking at all the different stuff. Like, look at this. We had to eat toilet. For them eat all the toilet. That makes sense? They had some of the craziest, like the most random candies with the different toys attached to them. And this store also did souvenirs, so like London based things like bells, plates, different like cups, mugs, just buses, random stuff, like souvenir type stuff, which is really good for obviously tourists and stuff. Snow globes, so that was fun. And then yeah, here's like a random little pool thing. When you squeeze it, the thing come out. What are you about excitement? Good about it. So yeah, we got one candy and then came out of this shop and moved on to the next one. So next we went walking through Selfridges, which was literally on the same stretch. So it was really cool in here. Obviously it's just all luxury high-end brands that were in here. Rolex, Dior, everything makeup wise, everything was in there. But you also had a mixture, so there was NARS and MAC and things like that as well. Celine, if you've not been in here, then this is a cute little walkthrough, sort of summarizing the main bits that's in here. They have different levels obviously, but this is sort of what we went and saw. So hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of Selfridges.
What the heck, Mama?
Just look up. Just look up.
Oh, wow.
Wait, baby, let me think. Are you frozen? Oh no!
I need to melt, mommy. I need to melt. Oh, I'm back again.
I think we need another. You just had bare candy. You're having some. You're having some. You're just not having a whole one. We're sharing.
Candy. It's actually what the sweet.
Thank you. Wow, baby. Look at that. These things from. We're so tired, honestly. Today was such a good day, wasn't it, babe?
Tired, man.
It was really, really, really fun. We got home at about 8:30.
Yeah, but that.
About 8:30, and we got tidied up and clean and everything, and now we're chilling in bed. Amira J is playing games. I don't know how do you know what? The only reason she's not sleeping is because we went to the American candy store and she got this thing where you dip. Oh, where is it? What is it called? That's probably the only reason why she didn't fall asleep, because Babe was dreading her falling asleep because then we would have to carry her. Oh! Guys, it was an amazing day. Thank you so much again to Frameless for inviting us down. We had an amazing time, and it's really like right next to it is Wagamama's. You also have Hard Rock Cafe, which we went to, which is really close. That's more on the pricier side, but if you go, like, if you jump back on the tube, you can go to other areas where there's cheaper options for food as well. But nah, it was really, really good. We had so much fun. Amira J enjoyed it so much, but she really loved the art. But I think she even loved the fact that she was able to create her own art afterwards, because she was really excited about the coloring part. But she said she had so much fun too. Guys, my lashes, I did them so long ago, but the lash tech that I use now is so good. They last absolutely just like, they've been in there for like a good, when did I do this, babe?
Good one, about 2 weeks, huh?
At least 3-4 weeks, isn't it? It's been at least 3-4 weeks and they're still there. Like, I tried taking them out. So I asked on my Instagram if votes for longer vlogs or shorter vlogs. Do you and guys, Jesus Messiah. Do you guys enjoy longer vlogs, which is like an hour, or do you enjoy shorter vlogs, which is like 15 to 30 minutes? Definitely let us know in the comments, just so we can have an idea of what you guys prefer. Also, what else would you like to see us do, or what other experience type things, or I don't know, do you guys just enjoy just us being here? I don't know. Is it that you guys will just enjoy whatever we do? Should we just take them on whatever journey we want, babe?
No, I don't want this.
Let us know in the comments, because we tend to do quite a lot as a family, like quite a lot. It's just that we've not been vlogging, but we're back now. Also, if you've made it this far into the video, let me know any series or movies that you guys recommend on Netflix, because we tend to like FBI type, government type, agent type, badman action kind of something. So let us know any recommendations you have in the comments down below. Okay guys, so thank you so much for joining us again today, and we will see you next week in another vlog. Babe, gonna get us something to eat now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you. You hungry?
Bye.
Bye, things, fam.
Bye, Stefan.
See you in another video.
Bye bye. Later. Look, come on.